Creators on YouTube make thousands of dollars each day with affiliate marketing. We've all seen all these YouTubers with the how to make such and such money passive income. I was always skeptical about these claims, as you should be. In my mind, I was always thinking that if you guys know such amazing ways to make this much money, why would you waste your time making YouTube videos, and why don't you focus on milking that money cow? Well, the truth is that YouTube is also a very profitable business. So it's no wonder that they don't want to miss out on that either. And there is a multiplier effect here. Because they have experience in all these financial systems and online businesses, they can make videos about those, and these videos are the most profitable on the internet. Videos about affiliate marketing can have a $15 to $30 RPM on YouTube. This means that they can earn $30 for every 1,000 views they get. So let's say a video makes 1K views. That means that they made $3,000. So it's a positive feedback loop. They make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, then they make a lot of money by telling about making a lot of money, then they invest that lot of money to make even more. And here am I trying to do the same. And you should too if you are still watching. So let's jump into it and see how we can make money with affiliate marketing. Let's see what affiliate marketing actually means. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company. So basically it means that you are selling other companies' products or services and you earn a commission. But the hard part is to find companies that use affiliate marketing that contacts them, then get accepted, making sure that the products or services resonates with your audience. This is where ClickBank comes in. ClickBank offers a service to connect businesses with affiliates. So let's see how the ClickBank site works and what you should do to start using it. So when you open up the ClickBank page, you will see this opening page and it says, grow with confidence. Growing your business online doesn't have to be complicated. At ClickBank, we offer trusted e-commerce tools, a global affiliate marketplace, and industry-leading support and education. Everything you need to build with confidence. So, it is a one-platform, limitless potential. For more than 20 years, ClickBank has been trusted global partner for businesses looking to grow online. Here's why. And here they list some reasons why you should use ClickBank. So you can join ClickBank from both of the sites. You can sell your own products with affiliates, or you can also become an affiliate, which means that you can promote other businesses' products and you can earn money that way. As you can see, if you become an affiliate, you can promote thousands of quality products, earn up to $150 per sale, and you can use the industry-leading tracking devices that they offer. It's a worldwide leader in affiliate marketing and e-commerce growth. They say that at ClickBank, your company is in good company. The ClickBank platform empowers entrepreneurs and brands across the globe to grow, scale, and reach customers like never before. We've paid out more than $5 billion over the last 20 plus years, but we are just getting started. Is your business our next success story? So they are available in 190 countries for over 20 years and with $5 billion paid out for affiliate partners that we are trying to become here. So it's very promising. And when you tap on become an affiliate, they are going to open up the affiliate program site, and here you can see some screenshots about affiliates, and it shows that for this person, the combined earnings for the last 30 days, they made on the 11th of June, I think, almost $12,000, which is a crazy amount. As you can see here, they made $28,000 in a week, which is also crazy. So yeah, that it definitely offers a huge potential. If you can build an audience on the internet, on YouTube, on TikTok, or in any other platforms, you can start selling many different products, thousands of products. I have friends, YouTuber friends, that are selling like online financial courses, physical products, and anything in between that they found on ClickBank, and they are making thousands of dollars every single day. So when you open up the affiliate partner page, it says quality products, high commission, reliable payments. Welcome to the world's leading affiliate marketplace. Over 100,000 affiliates, which is also a huge number. How we help you earn. So these are the different services that they are offering. They're offering reliable payments since 1999, top performing offers, high quality products, accurate tracking, dedicated support, and training and education, which is also a good thing. They are offering some courses where you can learn how to choose the best products and how to optimize your content for more affiliate leads and to earn more, because they are also incentivized. If you make more money, they make more money. So yeah, it's really a win-win situation. So with most of the affiliate links, you can choose between these two types. You can have the revenue sharing, which means that you can get paid a percentage of each sale. You can earn more cash with upsells and generate recurring revenue with rebills. Or the other one is cost per action, which also means CPA, and that means that you get paid a set dollar amount, scale faster with ad spend, and earnings guaranteed, no refunds. Which means that for each click that goes through your affiliate link, you get paid. The path to your first paycheck starts with Spark. So these are all the informations that you need. And to start, you just have to choose from this list, but you can also use the other affiliate versions as well. So let's customize your ClickBank experience. Here you can choose the one that is best for you. I am new to all of this and not sure where to start. Okay, you should choose this one if you are new. No problem. Okay, let's go. What is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing, earn extra income? I think that's a true answer for all of us. Do you currently have traffic or any audience to promote? Here you should choose the one that describes you. How did you hear about ClickBank? Let's say YouTube, because I heard about ClickBank on YouTube and you are hearing about ClickBank right now on YouTube. Here you have to add your email address. I'm not going to do that right now because no personal information's shared here. But after you sign up, you can start to find affiliate links. You will have a list of sellers. Let's see if we can see some sellers here without signing up. Not sure, but you will see a lot of links, and you can use the search engine to search for specific products in your niche, which means that if you are, for example, a fitness YouTuber, you can look for specific fitness related products to sell those. As you can see, here are some more screenshots about huge earnings with affiliate marketing. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.